Done, ma? Completed. Say yes or no? Sharath? Okay. Okay, ma. How can you construct? See, 20 means how many places are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Okay. In this, how can we fill this? 44, which means fourth position. Right? 20, 22, 40, fourth position. 23, which is third position. 66, which is sixth position. 32, which position? 32, 12th position. Very good. 32 is 12th position. 96, where it is? 16th position, right? Very good. 96 and 128. 128 is 8th position only. This is nothing but like this we may arrange. Okay, based on the modulo division, we may arrange the elements in the hash table. Is anybody having doubt regarding this? Is anybody having doubt regarding this? Okay, then we are moving forward. How can we arrange the elements if you find any collision? Which means, suppose the given elements you assume as 10, 25, 35, 16, 18, 14, 45, and 28. Assume these are the given elements and the size is equals to 10 I'm taking. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, in this 10, we'll arrange here. In this 25, we'll arrange, sorry. In this 25, we'll arrange in the fifth position. What about 35? Where will you arrange? 35 also will come in the fifth position. But fifth position is already occupied by the element 25. So how can we avoid this collision means? We'll construct 35 like a linked list. 25 which is connected with the 35. Okay. Next 16, 18 is 8th place. 14 is in 4th position. 45 is again in the 5th position. So I'm adding that particular node to the after the 35. Next 25 will be the next of 18. Is anybody having doubt regarding this? Is it clear, ma? If you observe any collision, that will be avoid the collision will be given like a linked list. Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am. Here, there is the will be the pair. How will
Here
be
no
the
parent, nothing, ma. How the pair will store like means 5 comma 25, 5 comma 35, 5 comma 45. Suppose if you are searching 45 means first you will search with 25. No, it is not, but there is a link. So go here. If it is not matches, go here. Okay.
oh,
This is like will store the elements in the hashing. I think briefly I have conveyed what is hashing, how can we store the hashing, what are the advantages we are getting if we apply hashing. Am I clear? All these things?
yes.
Okay, now we'll see first. I'm not interested about how the elements are giving. How can we store the elements like a pair in a program? We'll discuss. Okay, I think you asked me to discuss the programs in Java programming, right? So we'll discuss all these programs in Java only. I think all of you are familiar with how to write sample programs in Java. Is it not? అందరికి జావా బేసిక్స్ క్లియర్ ఉన్నాయా? ఒకసారి బ్రీఫ్ గా హౌ టు రైట్ శాంపిల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అనేది ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలా చెప్పండి.
మ్యామ్ ఒకసారి ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ చెప్పండి మ్యామ్, అది రావట్లేదు అసలుకి.
ఓకే, ఆర్ యూ విత్ యువర్ సిస్టమ్?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
Okay, please share your screen, then we'll discuss.
Okay.
I have given the permission. Please share your screen. And ma, did I tell you to write the articles? Okay, Seshu, I'll explain. Program files. Kindadi. Have you downloaded Java?
Yes, ma'am. On that download.
No, it is not here, no. Okay, anyway you go to Google. Type Java SC download. Those who don't know how to download, those people can observe. Huh? డౌన్లోడ్ ఎక్కడన్నా చేసుకో, ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ అది అందులో అవుతుంది, నువ్వు ఎక్కడైనా డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఆల్రెడీ ఉందిగా.
Yes ma'am. Windows new folder.
You have to download like a package. In that it will display only JRE only, but you have to take like a package.
Ma'am, are you able to see the screen?
Yes. It is installing. I'm seeing. Seema, did I tell you to write the articles?
Yes ma'am, you told, but you told you will give the confirmation this week.
Okay, are you familiar with educative.io?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, in that you write the articles. Okay, first article you write, just briefly explain the data types of the C programming. Okay.
Oh, Okay,
Data
ma'am.
types in the C programming. Briefly write that article and submit by next week.
Ma'am, but it will take so much time for publishing, right?
No, ma, it's not. See, I'm giving you 1 week time. Okay. Now you go to program files. In your system, ma. Come back. Now you go. లేదుగా రాలేదు.
ఇక్కడ ఉంది మ్యామ్.
ఓకే. జావా JRE బిన్ ఓపెన్ చేయి. బిన్ పైన పాత ఉంది చూసావా, అది మొత్తం కాపీ చేయి ఒకసారి. పైన ఎస్, దట్ వన్. Just click on that. At last, after bin, you just click. Press no. Just click. Click the entire path. Ma copy that path. Then పక్కన ఇంకా ఇటు సైడ్కి వచ్చి ఎంటీ అక్కడ క్లిక్ చేయి. ఎస్, కాపీ చేయి ఇప్పుడు దాన్ని మొత్తం. Control-C. కాపీ చేసావు కదా. నౌ గో టు మై కంప్యూటర్ ఆర్ ఎల్స్ అక్కడ ఫోల్డర్ సింబల్ ఉంటుంది చూసావా కింద. ఫైల్ ఎక్స్ప్లోరర్ ఉంది కదా, అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి. In that this PC, right click this PC on your left hand side. Yes, just click, right click this PC, right click properties. Here advanced settings, is there any tab? Yes, advanced system settings. Maximize it. Environment or variables. Last, down, last, environment variables. Last in this only. Yes. New. Type PATH path.
Capital, ma'am.
Capital or small, whatever you want, you can. In that variable value, Control V, semicolon you put. Okay. Okay. Again, okay. Close this settings. Just type in the search bar CMD. Enter. Java space hyphen version hyphen minus symbol version. Press enter. Could not create the Java virtual machine, which means it is unable to create the Java. Just type Java C. Okay. Your Java version is not downloading properly. Okay, close it. Again, close it. Delete that Java. Uninstall that. Go to program settings. Go to settings. Control panel అని ఉంటుంది చూడు. ఆ సెర్చ్ బార్ లో కంట్రోల్ ప్యానెల్ అని కింద సెర్చ్ లో. Programs, last one, programs. No, programs and features skill. Programs and features. Fine, first. Wait a minute. Go and search for Java. Java 8 update 301 అని ఉంది కదా.
Yes, ma'am. It is here.
ఈరోజుగా చేసా అన్ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసేది. ఓకే అన్ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసావమ్మా?
చేశాను. మ్యామ్
అయిపోయింది కదా. వన్స్ అగైన్ యూ గో టు గూగుల్. Here in the Google type Java SC download. ఏంటి ఓపెన్ చేస్తున్నావా? గూగుల్లోకి వెళ్ళి జావా ఎస్సీ డౌన్లోడ్ అనుకుంటా. ఎస్ఈ ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఓపెన్ చేయి. ఫస్ట్ ట్యాబ్ ఓపెన్ చేయి. వచ్చిందిలే. ఇట్లా వెళ్ళకమ్మా. ఇంకా బ్యాక్కి రా. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ట్యాబ్ ఓపెన్ చేయి. ఫస్ట్ జేడీకి డౌన్లోడ్ అది క్లిక్ చేయి. నీ సూటబుల్ కంప్యూటర్కి ఏదో అది ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయి. కిందకి రా ఇంకా. విండోస్ 64 కదా.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
అది ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయి. అది చెక్ మార్క్ చేయి. సిలో అక్కర్లేదమ్మా, నువ్వు ఈలోనే పెట్టుకో. ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ అది సిలోకి వెళ్తుంది. అక్కడ జస్ట్ వదిలేసి ఇలా సేవ్ కొట్టేసి. Remaining people, have you installed? Those who are having already Python interface, there you can directly add the plugins for this Java. And there is some lead code. There are some moderate level programs on this hashing. If you want, you can practice it. Click to show in folder or either click. ఫస్ట్ ఇది క్లోజ్ చేసి ఇది మినిమైజ్ చేసి నెక్స్ట్ అన్ఇన్స్టాల్ అయిపోయిందా లేదా చెక్ చేయ ఒకసారి ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ కంట్రోల్ ప్యానెల్లో. ఇదో డౌన్లో ఉంది కదా, మినిమైజ్ అయ్యి కంట్రోల్ ప్యానెల్లోకి వెళ్ళి. ఉందా జావా అని?
లేదు మ్యామ్.
కమ్ డౌన్. ఇంకా కొంచెం కిందకి, ఇంకా కిందకి. ఓకే, ఎక్కడా లేదుగా.
లేదు.
క్లోజ్ చేసి ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ అది అందులోకి వెళ్ళి రన్ చేసి చూడు. డీలోనో ఈలోనో పెట్టావు కదా. నెక్స్ట్ No close. ఇప్పుడు వెళ్ళు మై సి డ్రైవ్లోకి వెళ్ళి ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఫైల్స్ అది జావా జేడికే బిన్. ఇప్పుడు పాత్ కాపీ చేయి. అగైన్ దిస్ పీసీ ఇక్కడే లెఫ్ట్ లో కనిపిస్తుంది చూడు, దిస్ పీసీ ఇక్కడే ఉంది చూడు, దిస్ పీసీ అని. పైకి రా, ఇంకొంచెం పైకి. రైట్ క్లిక్, ప్రాపర్టీస్, ఎన్వైరన్మెంట్, అడ్వాన్స్డ్ సిస్టమ్ సెట్టింగ్స్, కింద ఎన్వైరన్మెంటల్ వేరియబుల్స్, పాత్, న్యూ అని ఇచ్చేసి పాత్ సెమీకోలన్. ఓకే, అగైన్ ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్కి వెళ్ళి ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి ఫాస్ట్ సిఎండి జావా హైఫన్ వెర్షన్. స్పేస్ ఉంటుందమ్మా జావాకి హైఫన్ కి. ప్రెస్ ఎంటర్, అక్కడే ఎంటర్ కొట్టేయచ్చు. దానికి ఉండదు, జావా హైఫన్ వెర్షన్. హైఫన్ కి వెర్షన్ కి స్పేస్ ఉండదు.
ఓకే. Yes, ma'am. It's can.
Now Java C and what to? Yes, now it's working. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, stop sharing. I think all of you have seen how to install Java in your local computer to practice the programs. Some of you have asked me to explain the basics of Java, and then I'll move on to the hashing program. So just simply basics means I don't want to describe what is Java like that. I don't want to describe all those things. Simply I'll show you how to print a statement, how to read a statement. Is it enough? Is it enough?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, how to print a statement? Everything should be, you have to describe in the class only. A class is having the collection of data. In the data, first is collection of data, which means the variables and the methods. First part is variables and the second part is methods. Altogether, we can call it as a class. A class is a collection of data and the functions. Okay, so I don't want to give any data. Directly I'm going to function, which is main function. How can we write the main function? Public static void main string args. Okay, next system dot out dot println of hello world. How can you print the statement? By using the system dot print dot out println, system dot out dot println. Okay, now we'll see will it execute or not. I'm saving this. Always maintain the class name and the program name are same. Okay, now we will check, we will execute this command prompt where I'm in simply Java programs, cd space Java programs, because I have stored the programs here. Okay, in that, what is the, how can you execute Java C space? What is the file name I have given? Demo.java. See, if you have any errors, it will display the errors. If you don't have any errors, directly it will go to the next line. How can you run Java space demo? What it is displaying? Hello world. Is it clear how to print a statement? Seshu.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then Now, how can we print an integer or print any value? Simply int a equals to 10. Next, system.out.println of a given number is, I'm simply typing given number is plus a. I'm simply saving it. Again, we will execute the same program. What it is displaying? Given number is 10. I did not read the element at runtime. Simply in the compile time itself, I have given the number and then I'm reading that number. I'm printing that number. How can we read using it? How can we read the data at runtime? How can we read the data at runtime? Can anyone tell me?
Using scanf function.
Scanf function in C programming. I'm asking you in Java. Yes, very good, Nalini. Which is a scanner class. How can we read the data means I'm declaring there is a scanner class which is used to read the data in Java. Scanner. First we'll create an object for this scanner class. Scanner sc is equals to new scanner of system dot in, which means input. And this scanner class is available in the header file. Here we call this header files are packages. This is available in import java.util.scanner. Instead of scanner, I am using star, which means I can able to access all the classes under util. If I give util dot like a scanner means I can use only the scanner class which is available in the utility package. Instead of scanner, if I give star means I can use all the packages which are under utility package. So scanner sc is equals to new scanner of system.in. Next, for our understanding, I'm printing a statement system.out.println of enter a number. This is just for our understanding. Enter a number. Next, after this, how can we read that number is I have stored in the variable a. sc dot, which means scanner class dot next int of scanner class dot next int of, which is the function used for reading. Given number is I'm printing. We'll check whether it is working or not. It is asking me to enter a number. I have entered 10. Given number is 10. Is it displaying or not? Did you understand how can we read the data at compile time? How can we read the data at runtime? I think I'm clear. What about you? Is it clear? Okay, then I'm moving towards hashing. Already done that program in the previous session. See, this hash table is also available in the utility package. If you want to access all the classes which are under utility means what I told you, put star. Star means like in our flat subject also star means epsilon and any number. Same as like that here also star means if you want you can take, if you don't want you may leave it. And but you are having the access of each and every class of the utility package. That's why I have given it like star. Next class GFG, just I have given some name. Public static void main, this is main function. For hash, I'm using the hash table function. Hash table, I want to store the data like first is 1 C programming, 2 C++, 3 Java, 4 Python. So 1, 2, 3, 4 as it belongs to integer. And this belongs to string. So I want to store the key as integer type and the value as string type. That's why I have given hash table is going to store a pair. I have represented like a pair. No, first one is integer and next one is string. So for this hash table class, I have created a object as hm. In that hash table, how can we write means hm dot put What I'm writing first value is C programming. Put 2 comma C++, 3 comma Java, 4 comma Python. Next I'm printing this hash table. Hash table is available in HM, system.out.println of HM. Is anybody having doubt regarding this? How it is storing the data? It is storing the data in the form of key and value pair. Key belongs to integer type of data. Value belongs to string type of data. Am I clear with this? Say yes or no. Please respond. See what I have done here. Generally, the example what we discussed, the hash table means we have to check size and all. But here directly we are having the class hash table in Java programming. So directly we are writing that hash table, which can contain the integer string pair. Okay. Am I clear with this? All of you, please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about you, Nalini? Nalini, Sheshu, was it clear, ma? Okay. Now I'll show you the output of this. What is the class name? GFG, right? I'm going to execute. How can we execute? Java C space. What is the file name? Some GFG I have given. .java. If you have any error, it will display. Java space GFG. What it is giving? Key and its value. Key and its value. Key and its value. Key and its value. Am I clear with this? Okay, all of you execute this program. After completion, you write a hash table integer comma integer, which means you store the data like integer comma integer in the program. Will you do it? Will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please complete. Now the time is 2 o'clock. I'll give you up to 2:15. First you execute this. If you have any doubt, please raise your voice. We'll discuss. After this, write a program to store the key as integer, value as integer. Please do it, and after completion, please acknowledge.
Ma'am, why it is printing like in reverse order output?
Seema, this is not like a queue implementation. It's simply like the data which you have inserted that will go to the last. The data which you have inserted, it will be stay in the first part. Okay, so first name enter chesanu C programming. దాని తర్వాత C++ enter చేసాను కాబట్టి టేబుల్ లో C programming కిందకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఇప్పుడు టేబుల్ అంటే ఏంటి? Where you can insert from only one direction. You cannot insert in the both directions, right? That's why it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
last. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please execute.